We, the class 5B students, have organized a storytelling session for you all. We are going to narrate a tale of Parrot. No. It is Tale of Parrot. Written by Gurudev, Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, Tale of Parrot. We meet the wild and uncivilized parrot who is imprisoned in the golden cage so that it can be educated by the king's pandit. But stuffing the bird with knowledge ultimately kills it. This parrot is stuffy and indisciplined like all the other birds. It really jumps around front. That is the intrinsic nature of a bird. We must ponder upon it. Can we really call the parrot indisciplined? Perhaps it's not indiscipline. Freedom is the truest sense of the term. Oh yes.
So cute. Director, please educate the bird. Yes, sir. What is the reason for parents? Lack of education. The nest of poor parrot is very small, so it cannot hold any books. First of all, a cage is needed.
A cage was built. It was a golden cage, and the goldsmith was rewarded heavily, a bag full of money. People marveled at the beautiful cage.
I must say, the parrot does not get education, but it at least got the beautiful cage.
The books were kept in the cage.
The task of education cannot be achieved with just few books. The cage is beautiful indeed. Well done. The goldsmith has done a good job. It looks like knowledge is in abundance here.
The king's men in the palace were busy in cleaning, wiping and polishing the cage for the parrot. Did you know this act was considered by the sign of progress? But quite strangely, all the attention was to decorate the cage and nobody cared for the parrot.
Oh, what kind of education is going on? I have completely forgotten about the progress of the parrot. I must check the technique we used for the training of the parrot.
The king was satisfied with the arrangement and realized that there was no water and food in the cage. Just then the pages from the books were stuffed in the cage. By the end, he thought that the parrot is getting knowledge from all over the world. The bird, who was half dead, it was trained each day to be educated. One day it struggled to get through the bar and tried to be free with the help of fragile bee. As the result, the punishment was given. The wings of the bird were finally clipped. Too much writing suffocates us, robs us of freedom. That is what happened to the parrot too.
In this kingdom, the bird-like parrot not only have brain but gratitude as well. Let us accomplish the task of educating all the parrots in the kingdom. Listen, the bird is dead. The bird is dead. Listen, the bird is dead. The bird is dead. Listen. What is that I hear? Is the bird training complete? No. Does the bird sing anymore? No. Does the bird scream? If it does, it will
touches the bird, and the bird neither opens eyes nor make any sound. Only dry pages of torn books rusted inside in its belly. Fresh air breeze blow the fresh leaves sigh.
Freedom is related to childhood, and with freedom comes the joy of living. Children should not be in school or institutionalized career.
Just as the parrot deserve freedom to live, children deserve freedom to imagine, explore, and learn. Thank you.